In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import photos into Lightroom Classic. Start by launching Lightroom Classic on your computer and make sure you're in the library module, since that's where importing happens. In the lower left corner, click the Import button to open the import window. If you prefer menus, you can also go to File, then choose Import Photos and Video. And if you've connected a camera or memory card, Lightroom Classic may open this window automatically for you. On the left side of the import window, choose your source. Navigate to the folder on your hard drive, an external drive, or your memory card that contains the photos you want to bring in. Lightroom will load and display thumbnails of everything it finds there. If you expected to see more images, make sure Include Subfolders is checked so Lightroom looks inside nested folders, not just the top level. At the top center, decide how Lightroom should handle the files. Use Add to reference the photos in their current location without moving them, which keeps your existing folder structure intact. Choose Copy to duplicate the files into a destination folder you select, ideal when importing from a memory card into a standard photo library. Copy as DNG will copy and convert supported RAW files into the DNG format for a consistent workflow. Move will relocate the files to a new folder, removing them from the original location. Use this when you're reorganizing and you don't need the originals left behind. In the center preview area, pick the photos you want to import. Each thumbnail has a checkbox. When you see a blue check mark, that image will be included. Uncheck any you don't want right now. On the right side, set your import options. Under Destination, choose where the photos should live on your drive and how to organize them, such as by date or into custom subfolders. In File Handling, decide how Lightroom should build previews and whether to avoid duplicates or manage RAW plus JPG pairs. Building larger previews can speed up culling later, while the Avoid Duplicates setting helps keep your catalog clean. If you shoot RAW and JPG, decide how you want Lightroom to treat those pairs during import. In Apply. During import, you can assign a develop preset, add keywords, or apply metadata so your images are tagged and organized from the start. Adding a few clear keywords now can save time later. Once everything looks right, click Import in the bottom right corner. Lightroom will bring the selected photos into your catalog, ready for you to review and organize in the library module.